Happy, what day is this? Probably.
Nice about
What is it? What day is it? April 14th.
Oh, Titanic. The Titanic is going to sink soon.
No, I'm going to see the mountain. It's really beautiful. We are up at Jay Peak, and it is, I don't know, what time is it? What time is it? Anyone know?
4 hours before the Titanic sinks, the 100-year anniversary.
I have no idea what that means. So.
It's 20 of 7.
20 of 7, so we were almost before the anniversary of the Titanic.
100-year anniversary.
Yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, so it's a little before 7, and we're sitting outside at Jay Peak in April, and the clouds are gorgeous. And John is there, and we have a fire, and we won a competition.
Nice.
We did the tailgate. It was a good day. Did some skiing. I did a little tiny bit of skiing, but it was challenging. And the guys did more. And here, wait. Esty! Hello! She had a very good day. It's not like she's been stuck in the car all day. Ida! Ida's tired. She's a tired dog. But we've been having a very, very nice day. Gotta love Jay Peak and the people. You know what makes Jay Peak great is the people of Jay Peak.
Present company included.
But is that something?
We love the
Is that
people.
something new?
In a couple of years.
All right. That's it. One more last shot.
Brendan,
say hello.
hello, Brendan. You're on video.
Anybody mind being on YouTube? Look at the sky. Look at the look at the beautiful sky. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. This is it for 2012. We will see you. Okay, well, but I might not do a video. This is the last video for 2012.
Final video for JP.
And we'll see.
2011.
If I break my leg tomorrow, that'll be bad. Bye. Adios.